Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to find where a pivot table is pulling its data from and how you can change that. It's as simple as going over to this Analyze tab and clicking on the Change Data Source. And here we can see that the source is from A1 all the way down to E131. But since then we've added the cities into this table and we've added another day's worth of sales onto it. So I'm going to change this to include the full column, even the days that haven't been created yet, by highlighting A through F. And then click OK. And then it updates the pivot table here. And that's how you change the source data in a pivot table and how you look it up. Thank you for watching.